Hi, let's see how to install Git in this video. Okay, so to install this Git, we just browse to git-sem.com website. Now just click on the download Git version here. Okay, based upon the operating system, just click on that respective icon. Automatically it will get installed. Just click on this icon. It will get downloaded in your machine. Okay, so you can see that it started downloading. I'm going to stop this download because I already have downloaded. Okay, and just go to the downloads and click on Git. Okay, Git. Just click on this. Click on run. Now go to the next. Click on as usual, that is the default. Just let it be the default things again here also. Go to the next. Let it be the default again. And again a VI editor as a default one. Yes, of course I want VI. If you are looking for Notepad++ or Nano editor as a default one, if you want to make these editors as a default one, okay, you can make it as a default one. I don't want that. I am familiar with VI editor as I work on Linux, so I'm choosing this as a VIM as a default editor. Let it be. Go to the next. And use git from Windows command prompt here, so that you know it will add the path variable also. Let it be yes. And SSL library, okay, let it be the default, and use this yes, again the default, again the default, and just click on the install. That's it. Now Git installation is almost done. 90% is crossing, 100% is done. Right, very good. I don't need to launch this release mode, just finish it off. Now just minimize everything, minimize this, just right click on this. You can see now git bash here. Alright, so if you open this git bash, git space ---- version, if you are able to see this, that means your git installation has been done successfully in your machine. Okay, if you want to clone a repository to your local, okay, for example you have a git repository in your git repository, and if you want to clone it, just give git clone and the URL of your repository, okay. Right, so like this we can clone the Git repositories. Right, thank you so much. Keep watching Advith Devops for many more videos in your future.